see people do this. Let's try it. Walking up the escalator. Good day. Can I ask you to subscribe to my YouTube, please? Yeah. Can you subscribe to my YouTube channel? It's Jamaica Walk By.
Jamaica what?
Jamaica Walk By. You Jamaican?
No, I'm Trinidadian.
Oh, see, we're neighbors, right? Bless up.
You said Jamaica.
Jamaica Walk By.
Walk by?
Yeah. I'm trying to get to the 100,000 mark.
Yeah. This one?
That is it.
Oh, that's you.
Yeah.
You just came. Are you busy?
Yeah, it's my first time here. I'm here a couple of days now. Yeah, massive. Big up and respect. You don't know. This year, 1 year, gonna be one serious walk, massive. I'm telling you, I'm gonna do it. I'm there on the road right now, I'm gonna do it. I'm not joking thing, massive. So right now, I'm there, I'm virgin. 10th floor. Big up yourself, the man. Say something, man. If no one talk. But yeah, we're there, massive, yeah. Machine, look good, man. Yeah. Machine! Figure that. Yeah. Yeah, the G outside. So massive. Right about now, we're gonna walk Queens Boulevard. So just like you get Washington Boulevard and run it got 1 million views. We're gonna see if you can run that one, you got 1 million views too. I said 2 million views. You know where it goes. So massive, we're there in New York, massive, and we're gonna walk Queens Boulevard in Queens. You understand? So I'm not sure right here so where we're gonna start it, but 10th floor always said look up on the sign them on the road. So right now I see Queens Boulevard over there. You understand? And I see Hillside Avenue, in? Yeah. So Queens Boulevard is actually going to that direction. Am I right, 10th floor?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to walk that side of massive. And we're going to show you exactly what Queen Boulevard look like in a 2023. Zin? Not 2023, but 2023. You understand? So if you not start like it, do me a bigger start like a video there. Do we are wait. Yeah, because we want to jump in a video. See, they look good now, man. Foreign pretty. The place is nice. It's beautiful. Look good now, man. Yeah. No joke thing. Them have a bunch of things that go on over there. So look like them a give away free gas. I don't know. Yeah. So massive, yeah. We're there in a foreign, and if you start like a video, blessed love, thank you so much. See the attire, I don't know. So stay tuned and start watching video and just walk with me. Zin, drop a comment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times you can comment. But we still answer. Saying so, enjoy the walk with me as we walk through and Jamaica Walk By. And this is for all the massive. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please may I beg you subscribe. You understand? If you're not yet, subscribe. Please may I beg you subscribe to the channel so we can get it right. We are on our way to 100,000 subscribers. Maybe when you see that video, I probably reach 100,000 subscribers. I them think them I do that more. So we're gonna do this. It's not always about me. It's about what I go around this. So me turn the mic here, I hit that. We're just showing a Queens Boulevard in a Queens. Look good now, man. How me stay? We're ready for the road. Look good now, man. We're outside. We're ready for do this. Yeah, where's the 10th floor? Ready for the miles?
Ready.
Alright, 10th floor, so I'm ready. Let's go. Yes, massive. Blessed love is another day. And we're there on it. We'll probably walk now in this till night. Who knows? But right now it's about. What time is now, 10?
Minutes after 3.
But how much minute?
1 minute, 2 minutes to 3. 2 minutes to 3.
Alright, so right now it's 2 minutes to 3. So I'm going to see how long we can walk for. And just get it right. You understand? Blessed my G. Yeah. Most of them people when they hear them probably they don't know nothing in English. Because if you see them, they don't know nothing what I just said a while ago. They probably just look. You can look on them and tell them to Jamaica and wicked word. And then still say, yeah, bless up. They don't have no idea, is it? So let's go. I'm going to show you what Queens Boulevard look like in a 2023. You hear that? No joke, no doubt. Alright. So me have an idea. Me I see something. Ooh! I saw them live. I saw them live, man. I found a place. I always hear about the pigeon them and them thing there in Queens now. I saw them live, man. Look there. Found a yard. Because this a vehicle and a move, because boy them paint it good. This look like it there's about 10 years. Them paint it, boy. Good job. Oh you mean? So let's go. Corvette. One thing massive in Spanish, then just hold on for one piece of foreign and then just go with it. Then just run with it. Yeah. Tenfield, where she speaks Spanish, right?
Un poquito.
Gamble, 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 gamble. Could I lose? Here. Where's that them this 10? The dollar. Dollar taxi them and a dollar taxi them again and a $3. No shocks no in them. No shocks no in them. 10. Yeah man. Foreign. You just love how the trees them just a change and sitting. Queens Boulevard. All who never see the Boulevard here. Time. So we actually do the walk from like the outskirts of Queens Boulevard massive. So it's out. Trust me, I can't even explain the Boulevard there massive. It is beautiful. Crazy amount of stuff to see. Crazy amount of places on this Boulevard. No joke. Just watch the man. So if you watch so far and you don't like it, please me beg you like the video. Yeah. massive if you see me mute the mic, a copyright, Zine. So just wait till we clear it before we start again. You know the copyright thing go. How does little people? Yeah. There's a school nearby here or something. Seems like. Rasta. Wow. Infrastructure. Elevator from out the train station. Boy, I tell you, first world country, you know. Queens Boulevard. What's that sound? I rode down this at 10th floor. Sound like a river run down this.
Highway.
Highway. Sound like a river. So careful on highway sound, man. Enough. Yeah. Oh yeah. Sound like a river. So yes, massive, it's a long way to go because we don't reach up in the city yet. I understand? But decided to walk from the outskirts, walk into the city. Yeah. Where I walk. And the massive guy, you know me have to walk in the middle of it. Yeah. Can't catch it two side of walk, but a cemetery, there's a cemetery. This is it, man. What you mean? Yeah, 10th floor, you ready?
Ready.
Ah, this is beautiful, massive. Look good now, man. Foreign. What you mean? Foreign, beautiful, massive. It's sweet. I'll go through. Love Jamaica to death though. Yeah, man. Queens Boulevard where I walk. So then the green thing up on the road, what it stand for? When they paint it in a green, bike lane. Oh, bike and bicycle and all them thing there.
You see it.
And the massive, look good. Beautiful. Bunch of color. Nice. Nice. Look like this normally be a spot you could have just stop and take 2 pictures on this, don't it?
Usually somebody dead. That's why.
Or maybe somebody die from it and then just then just wire it up right here, so. Probably that, you know, cause look like there was a picture there or something. Damn, so it's sad. So look like they put a solar thing to it. Connect there, so you know, say at night time it come on and it light up and thing. Maybe somebody really lost their life on this way. Yeah, that's sad, but it's still beautiful, you know? R.I.P. if that's the case, cause yeah, there was a frame. The picture looked like it used to be in it. Picture is out now. Man. Is it, what's that so heavy? It sounds like it's a plane or, what's that, you hear that? So heavy? Oh. So there's still a cemetery on that side over there. See? It could also be that the person buried over there too, over that side, and then they say maybe the bicycle can't stay or whatever, but could be one of which. Still sad. So massive, anybody who have not seen Queens Boulevard before, we're walking the entire thing. So get enough food and a plate and all them things, because we soon reach the city area. You understand? Mama over there, so make sure everything will go on decent. Blessed love. Blessed. Yeah. Yeah, check all of them cars and make sure they have them. So pretty much you check them to make sure our ticket are run. Oh. Oh, so no parking is supposed to be there, so I guess, look so. But she run ticket. Yeah, massive, we are reaching our town and now it'll get sweet. Look good now, man. It's a beauty. Ten floor, me only see players look like this in a show. In a show. It's a vibe. Yeah, let's go. If a bad man, they must know that place here, you know. Queens County Criminal Court building. Oh. Officer. Beautiful. Lion sound. A Mexican a beat it. You hear that Tanya Stevens a kick. Mad lion sound. Lion sound gonna murder your sound tonight on the taxi rhythm. Everybody feel skilly beggy. See the was skilly wing. Congratulations. Alright, so we're gonna cross. Massive, I want to hear something. I never saw one biker ride through traffic up here yet. I never see a bike or ride through traffic up here yet. Like how they do it at Jamaica where bike feel like say a middle part of the road I feed them and then just walk through the middle part. 10. I'll know me not see that. Yeah, me not see no bike machine. Me not see no bike up here ride through the middle part of the road.
Your Wi-Fi week.
Yes, me hard brother. Big up every time. See it's cool no man. Yeah, see that? No one talking can't miss, you know. Can't miss. Big up fam. Yeah. When I talk to him, I end up on the phone, you know. So we are go up in a city massive. Queens Boulevard. So we actually they almost and we wait. So 30 minutes in the video right about now. I want to say thanks to everybody who has stayed tuned and watch the video. The city start now. That's a bus park. Right here. Well, I'm going to take a look. Let me just see what is around here. And we just come back. Oh, yeah. Generally, I run to catch it. Oh. Oh. Just another day in a bus park. And then food there. Look like jerk chicken or bird. And then chicken I look well liquor. Station, train station down the side again. Down Jano. Pigeon like whoa. New York, I feed them place. Look good now man. You think Home Alone did I tell lie? Yeah man. Home Alone ain't a 10 a lie 10 floor. Show you say pigeon them a New York thing. Oh grass. Massive one time I saw me have enough pigeon in them, I have to start eat them off. When they get enough, a trouble. Who want come pitch? Come. Nobody? Come. 10 for me now, I'm not big them. Nobody now pitch. Who da come pitch? Pigeon like what? 10 minutes for a piece of cookie. So one of them come. And tea man thing. Come now. One on a brave enough man. Come. Come. Yo, we just take one of them, you know, to fly off in the right way, you know. Mad. Everybody will come back now. Everybody come back. Nice. Nice. Everybody come back. Now we're friends, right? One there right on my foot. Now I'm gonna take my time, get out. No, I frighten them. So cool! That person is looking. It looks like it's a thing, you know? Where them feed them and thing. So cool. Let them just live here. Queens Boulevard. Yeah, massive, we are walk. We are go through. What is free Wi-Fi? I don't know what this is. Oh, you know what is this stand for?
Can charge your phone.
Can charge your phone. You can make emergency call and stuff like that.
I got my phone too.
See, oh, they have free Wi-Fi on it. So in case of emergency, you can get some Wi-Fi right here. So, oh, and it's also an advertisement board. Link NYC. Very good thinking. First world country. I know we have few of them posts there in Jamaica, but not so highly sophisticated, you know. But couple free Wi-Fi spot. Yeah. Yeah, man. Also, there's another elevator for the train station. So the train actually run below this. So the train actually run below the road here. So there's a next elevator to go in the subway station. Yeah. It's a bicycle. Oh, good. Can go across, you know. First world country here. Alright, so massive, I guess we have to cross. Queens Boulevard. I could do it in front of this one. Look at this interesting site too. Wow. Trust me. Great experience. All of the youths to my yard, brother, and try to get to no visa. Get to no visa and come fly now, man. Go look how place big. Go look how Jamaica and alone there. And I can see say world big, you know? World big and pretty. Everything there. Yeah. Amazing. The world not stop at Jamaica here. The world big. Love the outfit. Here's another one.
Kids in the family, so to read through them.
Why 10 look everything over here is our But so far me I walk that such a 10 floor. You see no Jamaican restaurant? You don't see none? Yeah, me not see none them side there. No Jamaican restaurant. Me not see no Jamaican style, nothing yet. But me see Indian. Yeah, me see Indian and them things. I see Japanese, I see Chinese, I see Indian, and I see Jamaican them spot on Queen Boulevard. Look like him fresh. G, a thump it, a whole a vibe. Ten for you want to hear something weird? Ops, FedEx. Where the next one name? Where the next one name again, man? Where the delivery? You have Ops, the Amazon van, and I love them van. Yeah, man. UPS, Ops. We love them van. You know why? We don't see them at Jamaica. Because if one of these pull up with a package over here, one of the nicest feeling, you know. Ayad, you better make sure you ship it to the place, and then the place have okay, come to Jamaica and then you go pay fee via per pound, and then you have to go pay a custom fee too as well. When you buy online up as a man, you see the Ops or one of them come pull up at your gate, man, and make you know the package reach. So when I see them up here, man, I love them, man, I love see them, man. Because we should have them in my yard. Yeah. No joke, massive. We should have them van there Jamaica, man. We life with that sweet. You know, you see how the next thing too? The door dash and all of them. We have couple one like that still, but not the same kind of vibe. You see? Yeah, man, 10th floor, I tell you. When you see them in my yard, so when you see them over here, you have to love them, you know. Inside real. Yeah, so massive again. We're walking Queens Boulevard. Then we're gonna see how Queens Boulevard looks. See? Infrastructure look good. So massive, one of the reasons why it don't even make sense of going on none of these places are not like that. More than likely, none of these people here don't speak no English. Allow me to tell 10th floor. When you're looking at the salon, I'm seeing the Spanish. Most of them approach Spanish. Crazy amount of things like that, so I don't know. Yeah, you hear that massive at the train below this. 75th Avenue train station. You know, I'm just gonna take a look down there, let them see what down there look like. We're gonna take a look like you see the subway below the road. See? So we are below the road that we were walking a while ago. This is what it looks like. Below the road. So Queens Boulevard is actually a subway road below it. Yeah. So I guess you can walk all the way down to that side. But to go on to board the train, you have to go through this and then go to a lower floor, right? And then go to a lower floor. So you actually have to do it right here. And then you go through and you go to the lower floor and thing. Yeah, we probably have a card. We probably can. So, alright. Okay. So what we do? We just. Oh. Which way? Yeah. Okay. So we're going this way. Yes, a 10th floor doesn't show me what I go on. Yeah, 10. Why me never do that one before, dog? It's different. The other one, the man, them see man, them just squeeze through. Yeah, so you can, if you don't have one, you can purchase it there. So, me a forward. 10. Me a go show them what I go on. So look. So this is the lower deck. Alright, train leaving right away. Right, see? So this is the train station below the road. So as you can see, below the road is the subway station. Infrastructure massive. Up on the rat, then the rat, they brave. Yeah. Manhattan and Brooklyn via Queens Boulevard. See? So this is the subway beneath the road, and it's just crazy, like no joke. Serious infrastructure. Time and patience of building, but by right you're not supposed to be over this yellow mark right here. You're supposed to stay beyond it until the train comes. See? There's another one over there. It's actually stopping too. How cool is that? When I see this at Jamaica, no joke. Yeah. So you can walk all the way down to that side too as well. And think. How cool is that? Mad thing. Alright, so we are head back up. I just came here to look. And we're gonna finish the Boulevard walk. But we definitely did have to show you that. In a foreign. Yeah. So I guess you come out that. Can we come back through it? Oh yeah, we can. Oh, we can come back through it. Yeah. I was worried a bit because I wonder if we'd have to walk away down so to come back around on the other side. Yeah, that was cool. So massive, see there, massive infrastructure and thing. Yeah, even bathroom and thing down here. You have some display here to let you know what's happening here and where to go and the time of the trains and stuff like that. Yeah, technology up in a New York. Let's go. So New York is a busy place, massive. Busy. It's just going and going and going and going and going. So we're going back up on the surface and thing. So you see, all these cars and thing are driving under the subway station. Mad thing. Mad thing. Where's the 10th floor? Serious infrastructure. Serious. serious infrastructure. All of these roads are on the subway station. People drive above. So when you see it in a movie and a camera trick, a real thing. All these vents are just oxygen vents. All of them vent here. Oxygen vents. We're going. The other day I saw a video, see? And when I saw the video, then I asked, we just passed some Japanese or Chinese, I'm not sure which one. Or when I was passing, remember the video. See? So it said, why we always see so much other race in our Chinese restaurant, but never see the Chinese in there eating. Like I can't recall see a Chinese or a Japanese in a one Chinese or Japanese restaurant. So everybody asks which part they eat. They don't like to know too. Because I don't see them. See me? I don't see them, brother. You ever see one Chinese in a Chinese restaurant I eat? Talk it truth now, man. 10 for now answer me, man. 10 for talk now, man. Let me know some in a paranoid too. Because the lady there, when she said that, I said to myself, Jano, you know the next thing we never see? I've never seen a pregnant Chinese or a Japanese. You ever see one? 10 for just a laugh, dog. 10 just a laugh after me. You ever see one? Which part? Like one pregnant Chinese or Japanese? Yeah. Eh? You ever see one Chinese restaurant I eat?
Depends.
Or whatever. If this
Never see one yet. Every time I go to one Chinese or Japanese shop, is it that Jamaicans or foreigners in there? You know? Cuban cuisine. So far we are what? There's no Jamaican restaurant at all. But we say everybody are prepared for Halloween. I say massive when I say this year. If you go park, I say you better use this here. And that I tell you, that thing here work. I never ask. Hi, hello. You speak English?
Yeah.
I can ask you one question just to take it off the here. Have you ever seen a Chinese in a Chinese restaurant eating? She gone. She gone. She said yeah, and then God. Yeah, no problem with that. Blessings and love, see we all go through. She said, Mr. You speak English? She said yeah. I said okay, can I ask you one question? And she's out. I said, you speak English? She said, yeah. I said, can I ask you one question? She just keep walking. She gone. Yeah, we're moving on. You know, somebody tell me once they never used to have these things outside, but COVID caused them to do it. Yeah, so most restaurants them now have a seating area outside that they actually eat. Yeah, man. Why, I love this, brother. Just beautiful. Beautiful, brother.
Friday, right?
Seat here me attack with tents. This one me attack. Different. Not so sure where is this. It's nice. This looks like a landmark here. Oh, there's a sign. That is it. That is it.
That is it.
Boulevard. That's a far you there, man. Where's that small people know me, man? Big up yourself, you hear that? Always, see? Same speed. One Jamaica walk by, hear that? See it there, man? That is it. One Jamaica walk by. Big up all our supporters them and the subscribers them around the world. You hear that? No joke. Yeah. Nice when you walk place and thing. Even though me have a heart and all them things, that somebody still recognize what go on, you know? It's a good feeling, it's a good vibe. No say work, I reach places. The vlog them are go on. Look good. We still a walk. We in a then town like a yard. Hey, I really have to make some shirt in a dog with some of them talk there. Where you sitting? Me in a then town like a me yard. I don't know where we get this something from over there. Like, we don't even know.
Get with me. Get with me.
Good day, big driver. Yeah. Look good. All in the winter we have some shirt named Free AC out the door. Free AC. Mad thing. And some shirt, yeah, that bun up. Massive, me have to make some shirt. Yeah, that bun up. Free AC out the door. In a them town like a me yard. Look good now, man. Yeah. Look good now, man. That is it. How you mean? No joke. Crazy talk. I make some shirt massive, man. I know, I make some shirt and some sweater and them thing there. Just want the right entity if you just link me up and we just do the do. Cause honestly I'm not sure if I can buy the shirts and do the printing and do the mailing and everything one place and things. That's go hard. Intend yourself to buy the shirt them, print the shirt them, package them and ship them off. That's hard. That's a whole different team by itself, you know. So, me have to go maybe employ to somebody where I get shirt print and package and mail and somebody I take orders and all and something. A whole heap of things that I have to put in place, you know. No joke. But I wonder if they would have buy them. I said, if they would have buy them. I said 10, you'd have buy one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, no joke. 10 cents would I buy my first shirt. Yeah. 10 floor cents would I buy my first shirt. Which one of shirt you that want? Free AC out the door or in a them town like a me yard?
That is it.
You said that is it. 10 cents shirt and that is it. I feel like me da wear that me da wear one and say, look good now man, every day.
I hate that too.
Look good now man.
I hate that.
Figure that. What you mean? Figure that. In a them town like a me yard. Every new place I go, I that shirt them me have on. In a them town like a me yard. And me roll out, me say another one. In a them town like a me yard. Yeah, me live. Yes, brother. Look good now, man. So one whole heap of crowd just gone inside there. So which part in there?
How much we talking though?
It's a movie theater. Oh. Okay. Okay. So. Oh, Gloria Pizza. United. Kitchen. United Stars. Okay.
And one time he's like,
I mean, like touch screen car. I love you, Lord, 'cause your mercy never fails me all my days, 'cause I've been held in your hands. Look good now, man, foreign me there. Outside. Outside. Massive outside with it. People from all race and nation there. All race and nation. You know? It's a vibe. Queens Boulevard massive. Brother, tear me, man. Excuse me, watch your bus. So that's summertime. You have to wait. Hold on, lady. Like, where can he go? Where should he go? Yeah, we're crossing. We're gonna just wait. Where they're gonna go? where they gonna go? They can't stop on the pedestrian, right? And they already go cross. You have to wait. If a 2 turns, you have to wait. Then just have to wait 2 turns. The lady was like telling the guy to drive down on the pedestrian and the person was crossing. Like, she crazy. Man rather stand up and wait than drive. We're gonna even go up on the pedestrian to lick somebody. How serious that would have been. $7-11. Yo, every time it's on 7-11, you know what I mean here? I'll if she have 10 man, me have to be 11. Me not be ask that me I tell them. All when she says 6 man go there, guess who makes 7? Every time it's on 7-11, I mean that. Look good now, man. We in a town like I'm in yard. Every time it's on 7-11, I Dexter up some here. All when them say 6 man go there, guess who makes 7? Yeah. Only Dexter Dubs could have pulled that off, you know. It's tough like stone. I mean, all that Dexter, you know, it's tough like stone. Dexter body in the dog. Yeah, man. Dexter say, him not right for you, but think you need to let him. The boy too boring, him to make you have fun. I used to go, you don't know more time you need for. And dog, stop fight with him. Boy, you like that. Sing the man, like that. You're too nice to him. Boy, I love him belly, just poison him. Sing the man, just poison him. Breaking news. Man, I killing gal just because it's in too good. Oh man! Yo, me never see a squirrel from me born until today. No squirrel, no squirrel. See one squirrel there, massive. First me I see one in a real life. One squirrel. And he have to have a nut. And that's why me and him couldn't be friends. I'm not like too much nuts in that. Yes, there was a squirrel. Mad thing, you see? All them simple experiences I have mean a lot to me. See me I say? Yeah, no joke. Big up some artists, man. Big up Sanchez. Big up Richie Stevenson. Big up Freddie McGregor. You don't know. Big up Luciano. You don't know. Yeah, big up Berries for that man. Every day. Big up Loss every time. You understand? No joke, no doubt. Yeah, man. See some nice other squirrel. They look good. Yeah. First me I see them in a real life. I should have seen can get them. Not me not have my G. Crazy.
I mean, it's understandable, but he was like on his
Barely big up yourself.
last around, and he was on Sarah at that moment.
I mean. But it look like a grown folks park this man. Look good. Draft a play, chess a play, card pack, all different kinds of things. This is nice. Right in our center. Nice recreational park. I go walk a little bit through right here and then go back on the boulevard. It's just beautiful. Yeah. So big up to all my subscribers. Hey, good day. Can I ask one question? Is it husband and wife? No, I was just gonna ask if your husband. I was like, what's the secret, you know? All these long years and stuff together. Yeah, it's gonna be rough for us, you know, in our young time. We don't know how to do it. Yeah, much love, okay? Good day. She said we'll figure it out, you know? Hello, good day. So then, the first time I see squirrel in a real life, I see like a dozen. That's so cool. Yeah, massive, foreign. Look good now, man. Now them they're everywhere. Them fit too, man. Yeah. Yeah, man, we're back on the boulevard, massive. It's just beautiful. How much money I bet say had a brother then had a green suit there, drive that green car there? I could bet no, man.
What no, man?
I say I bet say I brother will drive a green suit, drive that green car. Hey, bless up, I didn't mean to cut you, alright? I bet with my friend. That is the guy who drive the green suit, drive the green car.
Yes, sir.
See? How did I know? How did I know? How did I know? I'm a prophet. See, I'm a prophet. I'm a prophet. See? I'm a prophet. I'm a prophet, man. I could have tell that the guy in the green suit drive the green car. That's it. Blessed love, respect, okay? Okay, I love the car. It's beautiful. Yeah, that's nice. That's all. Quick money. Yeah. No joke, no doubt. Yeah. I mean, in a foreign. Just like when you look on a Jamaican, and you see me I'm Jamaican hat and then you go in one car with all a Jamaican flag wrap his seat. Nobody, yeah. Me know. See a fee in car. A fee. Ask me how me know me a profit. Yeah, machine. Yeah, massive, no joke, no doubt. Yellowstone Boulevard, going that way. I understand, we're still on Queens Boulevard, it's just beautiful. Can tell a lot of movies up here. Why me I tell you, no joke, no doubt. All that the next talking, no joke, no doubt. You understand? Yeah, man, we still await. So massive sophistication. Look good now, man.
Wait.
Press the button, tell if you wait. Look across the road until the white man forward and see if you walk. You walk. I wonder if I have time to walk. Man, I block it up. Also, if I start go brrrr, okay, over time. Oh, for that, them can't go cross over the sand. And then stuck right there, so. To see the white man over there telling about. See me? So the white man tell you to walk, and the man there you look pan and you know what to do. You walk. That time there. Watch your 10 for dead with law. Come here. 10 for the last a while ago, like 10 for I say, what am I say? What am I say about when you press the button and you wait till the white man tell you to walk? And the white man, they might say, what? In a white. A white, your friend. Yeah. 10 for a week. Yeah, but he's a white man. A white, whole of him. Yeah. No joke. It's a 10. But me always say, the man couldn't do another color. And for them country, man, have to white. The man have to white, brother. Every time I turn up there, I say, them, I say, whenever I come, I say, wait till I see white man tell every cross. Only man that you see come up is a white. You cross. No, me ain't nobody knocking part now. When I hear the knocking, a dirty white man, I say, bad man, hurry up. See how the second they start drop off 5 o'clock. Eh? Figure that. With the outside massive. No joke. Look good now, man. Infrastructure. You feel like the man that get whole heap of pay? Because they go to work, you know, they have to have height pay. The height pay is different. Tell her last year. It's a talking on June. You see, if you have pay man then $20 hour for work up here, so the money have to go up because it's high. So like a $60 hour now, the height pay. You can't, if a 20 have to pay man, you have to pay a man $60 hour for this. Look good now, man. Make what's that? Man, that low I think and they think a rock a drop and come down and go. Me. Then could I say safety first in a week. Me. That's how I know that some things are not for me now. You think I joke? Yo, some things I couldn't for me, man. You mad, man? Now go to work. That's how I respect everybody. Yes, I. Yeah, but I realize though, everywhere they work, they make sure they put up them things, shield from the pedestrian, they mesh up, see that they mesh them up and things, so nobody can say nothing fly from over there and lick them. Yeah.
Daniel, stop.
Hey. Yeah, man. So, young rapper that?
I was so mad. Who'd buy me pizza? You know, pizza shop? Before that, I was gonna say, I come over.
Where are we going?
Yeah. Woo! Whole heap of walk massive. But we are got through. Why them school kids are different. Another white man. Another white man. I say what? Queens Boulevard. Yes. Super nice. Woo. Well, I tell me, can't add enough for this walk, brother. It's beautiful. Massive, we actually not done. We are going to another hot topic place, you know, because we not reach Queen Center Mall yet. See a few deli and thing over there. Another road we go down another subway. Watch this guy. I saw a skill. Probably how far am I come from with that? On a one-wheel bike. have a button. So yeah man, must you see you don't need to get silent. I get silent 10 for in 10 for. And then we're gonna get way in the city, and the city that down this again. Yeah, massive. Alright, so massive. We'll go across and go up on the other side there now. Yeah. Let's do this. we can walk in the middle till we reach Junction. Yeah. Get a wider field of view. Hi, hello. Speak any English? No? Can't bother. Crazy amount of Spanish. Scooter, them man, them a beat you. I said that one wheel bike the fast too. You know, me always see them 10, but I don't understand them, you know. Believe me, they look well dangerous. Yeah. This probably be a new building or they might renovate it a different style. Yeah. Down in our city. Massive, we don't even reach Queen Center Mall yet. Where's the 10 of fit? We don't hear 10 complain not once. 10 just a go through. Yeah, man. The 10, when you look up on a man and show them where you all walk from. Think a normal chop, how your foot feel?
Good, brother.
Then they roll out in Air Max today. Which version this?
Vapor Max, brother.
Vapor Max. And roll out in Vapor Max today. You say feel like he might walk by here. You understand? Alright, in bad. We walk through same way, it's just beautiful, massive. Giving thanks so we can walk and stretch for our legs, enough can't do it. Yeah, man. Queens Boulevard. Beautiful walk. Yeah, no doubt. back in our next town, you know. Across here. Yeah, across the road.
We're like that, you know.
Visitor. A visitor. Yeah, I'm a visitor. Oh man, it's fine, man. I'm a YouTuber, I'm just passing through, alright? Yeah, I'm a YouTuber, just passing through. Yeah. But what is it about though, if you don't mind? Alright, I got it. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, it's fine. I was asking the same thing? Okay. Yeah, most time they stop me, they tell me something about Medicaid. Yeah. They always tell me something about Medicaid. If you're on Medicaid, if you can get a cell phone or something like that. But I always let them know I'm a visitor. That don't go for me, you know. Yeah. So we're still going massive. Yeah, beautiful, lovely walk, yeah. Jano. Foreign. Telling us I'm gonna do that walk here and I did it. I was still going. Jai is good. Capital One. massive bridge. So massive. If you watch the last video, you realize that I was standing right out here, so to start the mall video, you understand? Yeah. So yes, massive, look good. So massive, if you want to see inside of Queens Center Mall, you got to watch the video before this one. Watch the previous video of the full tour of Queens Center Mall. You understand? And you see the full tour of that. No joke, no doubt. So this big building here is Queens Center Mall. So remember, watch the full tour of Queens Center Mall. It's beautiful, it's lovely. You need to check it out, trust me. Yeah, massive. Queen Center. So we have Queen Center over there, Queen Center Mall over there, you have Macy's on there. So many big stores, a massive mall, massive. So yeah, you can definitely watch that video. Alright. So we've been walking for over 2 hours now. Straight, non-stop. Yeah. Alright, massive. So it's just been great. I'm just gonna go a little bit further to let you see beyond Queen Center Mall and thing. You understand? Thank you so much to everybody who have been watching. Believe me, that's been great. It's a long video and it's a long walk. So big up to all the massive them who are walk with me right now as we go through.
Same thing? Which one Jamaica? Kingston? Yeah. This is Jamaica walk by right here.
Blessed love. Yeah. It's nice. Hello. Any English? Excuse me? You don't talk to strangers? No English whatsoever. Is this another mall? I'm not sure. Which mall is this? I mean, I say Best Buy, Macy's, bunch of stuff. Yeah. Alright, we could go take a look inside. We could just even some massive. We could take a sneak peek inside here. We have no idea if it's a mall or what, so since everybody at work, make go work. Yeah. It looks like a food court type of thing. Definitely a mall. Definitely a mall. So massive, loads of Spanish. I don't understand nothing what we say. Oh, so other than that, it's just the Macy's down here, and everything else upstairs. All right, let's go take a look. Let's go take a look. I always see people do this. Let's try it. Walking up the escalator. Good day. Can I ask you to subscribe to my YouTube, please? Yeah. Can you subscribe to my YouTube channel? It's Jamaica Walk By.
Jamaica what?
Jamaica Walk By. You Jamaican?
No, I'm Trinidadian.
Oh, see, we're neighbors, right? Bless up.
You said Jamaica.
Jamaica Walk By.
Walk by?
Yeah. I'm trying to get to the 100,000 mark.
Yeah. This one?
That is it.
Oh, that's you.
Yeah.
You just came. Are you busy?
Yeah, it's my first time here. I'm here a couple of days now. Yeah, you going to school over here or you live over here?
I live here.
Oh, you going to school?
No, not now. I'm working.
Oh, you're working. You finished school?
I stopped going.
Okay. It's college? Ah, I got you. So, are you on Instagram? Can I give you a shout out? What's your Instagram? I have to ask, because sometimes you guys just look a little bit
Young.
bigger than you actually are, you know? So,
what's your Instagram?
it's the same Jamaica Walk By. Yeah. So I hit the 100,000 on Instagram.
This one?
Yeah, that's it. What's your one? Can I give you a shout out on your page? What's your page? It's Lexi.
My name's Alexis. Lex X3.
Let me get it. I'm giving a shout out right there. Alright, so blessed love. I hope you continue liking the videos when I post them. Drop a 1-2 comment, and if you have anything or a friend or somebody promoting anything, I will share it for free.
Okay, got
Alright?
you. Thank
Anybody
you.
want to big up? Big up somebody, man. Come on. You got to.
I don't know. I guess like my family.
Alright, bless up all massive from Trinidad, okay?
Bye.
Keep safe, cool. So massive, I rather try the look on yes, a 10. I think about up here. So far it looks like it's a closed store and thing. You have a bunch of stuff going on here. I don't know, man. Let's check it out. Yeah. So basically it's a mall. Which store is this? Which store is this upstairs? This is the one we're in now. Target. Ah, thank you so much for that, alright? So this is actually Target. Yeah. It's different. So we're actually in Target right now. I'm going to take a little look around and then with a shoe out and go back on the Boulevard. I think it's my first Target. Yo, the escalator them everywhere. So this is just inside of Target. Just one little small look around and thing. Yeah. Massive, I know, so we have to mix it up a little bit. Alright, good. So yeah, I'm not sure what upstairs, but I still target maybe some different stuff. Someone said we just shoot back out, just want to see what was inside of here. They have to mute it a while ago. They have to mute it a while ago because you know the thing go. Music was playing, you know the copyright thing. Yes, so shout out to, I don't remember her name already. I think it was Alexis. Yeah, I'm gonna put her Instagram on screen. Music. We did come. I didn't realize that we did come up on next flight.
Yeah.
I didn't realize. Yeah, massive. So that was inside of the mall here. So I'm not sure what the name of the mall, to be honest with you, but yeah, this is where I'm gonna close it and thing, you don't know. Yeah, so yes, massive big up to everybody who stay tuned and watch that video. Yeah, you don't know, it's been great. See the mall, yeah. Right, so we have stop it and thing, you know, we're gonna figure out if we get back to which out we just walk from, because down so we park. So we are looking for cut out massive. So blessed love. Remember, if you watch the video, you're not yet subscribed. If you're not yet like the video, please me ask if you like the video. That's easy. Remember, if you like the video, it's free. To subscribe is free. Remember, totally free. No joke, no doubt. Figure that. So I'm a bit, you know, weak in on the knees, but I'm feeling good. I'm feeling great. So mad love, mad respect. Thank you guys so much. Big up to everybody in the premiere. You understand? Big up to 10th floor who walk with me. You understand? Him not really like up on camera, but see me, I look good now, man. Yeah, great 10th floor, we did the walk together and put them good, because I not even see my move too shaky. So yeah, we're there in a Queens, in a them town. So blessed love, Big up to everybody in the premiere. Well, stay tuned, we comment. You don't know, we're just chatting at the premiere section. Who donate, you don't know the thing. God bless the love. It's been a long walk. And we're going to make it back out. Because, we're going to shoot out. So, my thing. Big up, love you all. Respect. We outside. And let's go. Make it back our way. Uptown. Yeah.